Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Foods and Nutrition. Today, we are going to talk about food and nutrition. Therefore, without wasting any of our time, let us go directly to our quiz. Simple protein found in blood, milk, the white of an egg, and muscle. Option A, starch. B, food. C, fats. D, albumin. And the answer is D, albumin. Structure unit of proteins containing an amino group. There are 20 common ones found in proteins. More are found in cells and tissues, but not in proteins. Option A, glycerol. Option B, amino acid. Option C, galactose. Option D, carboxylic acid group. The answer is B, amino acid. A carbohydrate composed of two monosaccharide units. For example, sucrose, that one gives us glucose and fructose. Then there is maltose, that one contributes glucose and glucose. The genochemical formula is CX H2O in bracket Y, where X is approximately equal to Y. For example, sucrose has a formula of C12H22 or 11. Option A, galactose. Option B, deoxyribose. Option C, disaccharide. And option D, hexose. And the answer is C, disaccharide. It is made of many sugar units, that is glucose molecules, i.e., it is a polysaccharide. It is found in bread, rice, and pasta. Option A, fructose. Option B, starch. Option C, disaccharide. And option D, glucose. And the answer is B, starch. The amount and type of food eaten by an organism over a period of time. Option A, fructose. Option B, starch. Option C, galactose. Option D, diet. And the answer is D, diet. Ribose glucose sugar with one atom of oxygen removed. A 5-carbon sugar found in the nucleotides of DNA. Option A, glycogen. Option B, deoxyribose. Option C, glucagon. Option D, hydrocarbon. And the answer is B, deoxyribose. Water-soluble vitamin involved in tissue repair and growth of connective tissue, especially skin and blood vessels. Deficiency causes scurvy. Sources: citrus fruits, green vegetables, tomatoes. Option A, keratin. Option B, folic acid. Option C, albumin. Option D, vitamin C or ascorbic acid. And the answer is D, vitamin C. The most abundant body protein, a primary component of mammalian hair, and form the inelastic outer layer of arteries and veins. Any disease affecting it may have long-term effects. Option A, keratin. Option B, collagen. Option C, amino acid. Option D, albumin. And the answer is B, collagen. The process of converting simple nutrients, for example, amino acids, into cellular or body components, example, proteins, i.e., converting non-living matter into protoplasm, an anabolic process, or what we refer to as anabolism. Option A, amino acids. Option B, biomolecules. Option C, assimilation. Option D, essential. And the answer is C, assimilation. This is the acid part of the amino acid. Option A, folic acid. Option B, carboxylic acid group. Option C, biomolecules. Option D, amino acids. And the answer is B, carboxylic acid group. An organism that is self-nourishing, i.e., it manufactures its own food from inorganic sources. For example, a green plant. This type of feeding is called holophytic. Option A, glycerol. Option B, carbohydrate. Option C, assimilation. Option D, autotrophic. And the answer is D, autotrophic. Composed of elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, called saccharides. Option A, glycerol. Option B, galactose. Option C, carbohydrates. Option D, disaccharides. And the answer is C, carbohydrate. One that contains the correct proportion of each of the following carbohydrates: fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, water, and roughage. The quantities of each for an individual will depend on his or her sex, age, and level of physical activity. Option A, glucagon. Option B, fatty acids. Option C, balanced diet. Option D, deoxyribose. And the answer is C, balanced diet. Substances or molecules made inside organisms, also known as biochemical. There are 4 types found in food: carbohydrates, fats, oils or lipids, proteins, and vitamins. Option A, collagen. Option B, biomolecules. Option C, balanced diet. And option D, autotrophs. And the answer is B, biomolecules. Any amino acid that must be in the diet, as it cannot be made by the body. Option A, proteins. Option B, essential. Option C, carbohydrates. Option D, lipids. And the answer is B, essential amino acids. Dear friends, thank you very much for using Foods and Nutrition. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.